So I have $100,000 funded account with my Forex fund. I completed phase 1 and phase 2 of that $100,000 challenge last year. But since then, I did not really take any more challenges. But today, I am going to take one more challenge of $200,000 account this time, and I will be making a complete video series in which I will show you that how I am completing my $200,000 challenge account with my Forex fund. So this is my first video of the series of my Forex fund $200,000 challenge. And in this video, I will walk you through to the step-by-step procedure of me taking $200,000 challenge account with my Forex fund, and then I will also show you that how do I plan to complete my Forex funds evaluation without violating any risk parameters. So if you are new to the channel guys, consider liking and subscribing this video. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So here you can see the website myforexfunds.com. This is the main page of the website. I have also added the website link in the description, and I also added the Funded Trader Program website link in the description as well, because I recommend these two platforms only if you are starting out to get a funded account. My Forex funds and the Funded Trader Program, because I think that these two platforms are the best in the industry right now. So my Forex fund, here you can see the main website. There are three different account models. They have an account model called Rapid, then an evaluation, then an accelerated model. I plan to make a complete video on my Forex funds very soon. But in this video, we will only go through by the evaluation model, because I plan to take challenge account model, which is basically now the industry standard. So if we click on this start now button, it will take us to this page, Forex funded account evaluation. So they have all the information that you need to know on this page. But the main thing is these 6 points to remember. My Forex funds rules. They have a 5% daily drawdown, then a 12% overall drawdown. Their phase 1 target is only 8%, that you have to make 8% without violating 5% daily drawdown and 12% overall drawdown in just 30 days. And then there is a 5% profit target in phase 2 of the challenge, in which you will have to make 5% without violating 5% daily drawdown and 12% overall drawdown in 60 days. So 8% for phase 1 and then 5% for phase 2. And on each phases, on phase 1 and phase 2, you have to trade at least 5 trading days. That means you have to open 5 trades at least in 5 different days in order to complete this objective. And there is no trading restriction at all. You can trade any way you want. They say that you can trade your Forex platform account your way, your size, your time. We do not limit the way you can trade. We do recommend that you maintain consistency and focus on risk management, as it is important for long-term success. Be aware of all rules before starting. So 5% daily drawdown limit, 12% overall drawdown limit, 8% phase 1 target, then 5% phase 2 target, minimum 5 days requirement on each phase, and no trading restriction. So if we scroll down, there are some benefits of the evaluation program mentioned here as well. The first one is that once we complete phase 1 and phase 2 and we get a funded account, first profit split will be 75% for the first month, then for the second month profit split will be 80%, and from the third month it will be 85% on all profits that we will make on the funded account. The other benefit is it has lowest targets in the market, only 8% for phase 1 and 5% for phase 2. A low cost, high quality option. Their account fees are relatively very low as compared to other platforms, and then you can have unlimited free retakes and one free extension. In profit but did not reach the target? No problem. If you are consistent, we can extend your evaluation period of phase 1 if you need a little time. But if you are not consistent, we have unlimited free retakes with our platform for the traders who finish the 30 days in profit but with no breaches. So let's say that you are trading consistently on your phase 1 of the challenge, but you could not reach 8% profit target in 30 days. So if you are consistent in your trading, they will give you a little more time, like 2 weeks I think, for you to make the remaining profits on your phase 1. So let's say if you are at 5% profit by the end of month and you have not violated any risk parameter and you are consistent in your trading, they will give you 14 days extra at least for you to make 3% remaining that you will have on your phase 1. So that is a very good thing from my Forex fund. Then there is a benefit that no trading restriction as we have discussed earlier. And then once we will complete phase 1 and phase 2 and we get a funded account, on that funded account, once we make whatever amount of profit with our first profit split, we will be given our fee back. So it's also a very great thing. Now coming to the account sizes, as I am going to select a $200,000 evaluation, but they have account sizes ranging from $10,000 up to $200,000. There is an $84 price for the $10,000 evaluation, and it is also a refundable fee. For the $20,000 evaluation account, the fee is only $139. For $50,000 account, the fee is $299. For $100,000 evaluation account, the fee is $499. For the $200,000 evaluation account, which I am going to select, the fee is $979. We have to make 8% in phase 1, then 5% in phase 2. Minimum trading days are 5. Daily starting drawdown will be $10,000 on a $200,000 account. Overall drawdown will be $24,000 on a $200,000 account. The account leverage will be 1 to 100 and the refundable registration fee will be $979. So let's select this plan, and now they are asking us to select which platform we want to use. So I am now going with the MT5 and I'm going to click register. So as I already have an account registered with my Forex fund, so all my information is automatically filled here. Now I have to pay $979 in order to take the challenge. But if you have any discounted code, it will be a little less, like 4 or 5% less fee. So instead of you paying $979, you will be paying somewhere around $940 or maybe $50. So if you have any coupon, you can enter here. Now I am going to put my credit card information, and once it is done, then I will show you my dashboard. So I have completed the whole payment process, and this is the amount that I paid, $930. And now I will get my login credentials in few minutes maybe. I am not sure about that, and we will see the account dashboard once I receive my login credentials for the $200,000 phase 1 of the account. And then I will talk about that how do I plan to complete this challenge. Here you can see my account. Starting balance is $200,000. So I just wanted to show you my dashboard as well. This is how their dashboard looks like. It's very beautiful, very clean, very minimalistic, and I really like the dashboard of my Forex fund. Now let's talk about that how do I plan to complete this challenge without violating 5% daily drawdown and 12% overall drawdown in given time. So here are my 3 very important points that I highly recommend you to follow when you are doing the challenge. And then I will also talk about my very important, my favorite 2 risk management strategies that I recommend when you do the funding challenges. So what are the 3 points? The first point is that you have to keep in mind it does not matter whether you go with my Forex funds or the Funded Trader program or even with FTMO. You have to keep in mind that 30 days is a lot of time for you to complete the phase 1 of the challenge. A lot of the traders, they tend to stress out over the fact that, man, 30 days is not much time for us to make 8% or 10% profit target without violating the risk parameters. But the fact is, it is a lot of time. You only have to follow your trading plan. You have to follow your risk management. If I can complete 8% or 10% profit targets in just 30 days, you can do that as well. It's not rocket science. You have to keep in mind that 30 days is a lot of time. So do not over risk and over leverage. The next point is, because a lot of the traders, they think that 30 days is not much time, so they start over trading. They try to complete the challenge in the shortest period of time possible by over trading, which is way too risky. If you over trade and you over risk, as a result, you will blow your challenge and you will end up blowing the money that you spent on taking the challenge. So 30 days is a lot of time, then do not over trade. The third point, and a very important point, is that if you find any trade opportunity that has a large potential to be a large winner, then hold on to that trade. Do not close that trade early. If you see any opportunity that can be a large winner, try to maximize the profit from that trade, because the fewer the trades you will take, there are more chances that you will complete the challenge without over trading and without over risking. So hold on to your winners. These are my very 3 important points that I recommend that you keep in mind when you do the funding challenges. 30 days is a lot of time. do not overtrade, and then hold on to your winners. Now coming to my risk management strategies. These are my favorite strategies that I recommend to every single member of my community, and I also recommend to all my viewers on the YouTube channel. The first strategy is for the traders who are a little bit new to trading, who do not have much experience, who do not have a strategy with 80%, 75% winning percentage. So what you need to do, you need to target minimum 50% winning percentage, and you need to target 1 to 2 risk reward ratio from every single trade. It means that, let's say if you are risking $1,000 on a single trade, then your target will be at least $2,000 from that trade, and you need to win 50% of all the trades that you will take. So the first risk management strategy is that only risk 1%, target 2%, and try to have minimum of 50% winning percentage. This is my first strategy, and it is only for those traders who are a little bit new to trading. But for the advanced traders, I recommend the strategy that I personally use, and that is, if you have 60-70% winning percentage, then what you need to do, you should be risking 1% again on every single trade, but your target should be at least 3 risk reward. It means that if you are risking $1,000 on a trade, then you need to target at least $3,000 from the trade. And if your first trade hits take profit, that means you are already up 3% or $3,000 on your $100,000 challenge account, or in case of $200,000, you will be up $6,000 on your phase 1 of the challenge, because you risked $2,000, which is 1% in case of $200,000 account. So if you are risking 1% and you make 3% from your first trade, on your second trade, what you need to do is that you need to risk at least 2.5%, or you can also risk 3% on your second trade, and again you need to target 1 to 3 risk reward ratio from your second trade as well. So if your second trade hits take profit, then that's it. You have completed your phase 1 of the challenge in just 2 winning trades, in 2 consecutive winning trades. So that is how I like to trade. That is how I target when I do funding challenges. 1% risk, target 3%, at least have 70% winning percentage. If you make 3% from your first trade, then put a risk of 3% on your second trade and make at least 9% from your second trade, and you will have completed your phase 1 of the challenge in just 2 consecutive winning trades. So I hope that you guys got a lot of value out of this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, let me know what are your thoughts about my Forex fund, and hit the like button to help me with the YouTube algorithm. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.